What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how I made 27K off of GU sale. Alright, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is put my results right here on the screen. Alright, as you can see, 27,000 was made, alright, on my funded account. Alright, move this down here on my funded account, funded talent. Alright, I'm also gonna put this on the screen as well. Alright, I was also got the challenge yesterday. Alright, beat that as well. Alright, as you see, 47. All I needed to make was $2,000. Alright, so I had a pretty good day. Had a pretty good week so far. Alright, now how did this happen? Alright, simple, easy trade. I was just paying attention. In order for you to catch these moves, you have to be looking for them and prepared for them. And this was Monday, okay? And what I noticed is Wednesday, alright, it bounced off this zone. Alright, bounced off this little support zone right here. Came back up to test this resistance. Alright, this is a key level for me. Alright, so I waited. Alright, I did pop an entry here for a sell. This is where I took the trades on the challenge account. Alright, but on my account, alright, on my 200K account, this is where I took the trades. Alright, so I took a trade off this head and this shoulder. Alright, so I sent this analysis out to the group yesterday, you feel me, way before this move even happened, alright, because I already seen it. So in my eyes, I seen this head and this shoulder right here, alright. But the thing is, most people expect this to just drop, alright, and finish out just like this. But what happened was this, guys. The banks did a lot of manipulation, alright? Because I was up during London session. I even started to record a live video, alright? A live London session trade. But this is what I got, alright? We got this little fake out right here. And after that, it just dropped, guys. But this happened slowly, alright? It wasn't the typical London session, alright, that you could think of. We had some news, some GBP news at 2 a.m. So I don't know if that put a delay on what happened, because usually, like I say, we get those pushes, spike ups and spike downs, London session with GBP pairs, but we didn't get no movement, as you can see, guys, no movement. This didn't happen until around like 5 o'clock. This didn't happen until around like 5. You know what I'm saying? 5 o'clock. I was up, guys. I was waiting for this move. I knew it was going to happen. So what I did was I loaded up a 20 standard and a 30 standard. All right. You got to understand. All right. With a 200K account, I was risking $200 and $300 per pip. So of course I was going to eat. This was my main take profit area. All right. I would have made 40K if it would have came here. I already did the calculations. All right, I was looking for a 74 pip drop. 74 pip drop. But you know what I'm saying, I went on ahead and took profit because I don't like, you know, how this candle. I don't like how the momentum slowed down. All right. But at the end of the day, it did what I needed to do. So I'm grateful for what the market gave me. You can't be a person who don't take profit just because it doesn't hit your TP. If you do that, you will lose money that, you know what I'm saying, the market gave you. So at the end of the day, man, this was an easy trade, y'all. Like, you can see the structure of it. This is a shoulder, this is a head, this is a shoulder. But once again, the banks did some manipulation. A little fake out right here at London session, 3 o'clock. It did this right here, came all the way up. All right, it didn't budge. Because remember, I was in this trade over here on the challenge account. All right. I was tempted to get out here because with the challenge account, all right, guys, I did the 25K challenge, easy bread. But at the end of the day, your drawdown is very, very tight. You got 1250 a day and 1250 a day and 2500 overall drawdown that you can hit. All right, so I was very cautious. That's why I tried to catch it at the best entry possible. All right, boom, boom, boom. All right. Held that trade. I held both trades all the way down to here. What I ended up doing, all right, since I was in this trade around, like I say, 5 o'clock, I didn't go to sleep till around 5 o'clock, guys. I'm finna get ready to go out, get me some sun, get me a smoothie. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna enjoy my day. But I had to share this with you guys because this is the type of stuff that people don't, you know what I'm saying, see as outsiders, like what we, you know, go through. Of course, 20K, 27K is great, guys. It's amazing. But this right here could have made a lot of people get out. A lot of people's stop losses could have got hit. You just gotta have the right knowledge, you know what I'm saying, the right tools to understand where the market is going. Now, I will be dropping a video after this video. I may drop it the same day, you know what I'm saying, of my top 3 momentum indicators. All right. But yeah, guys, this was a easy / tedious trade. You get what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, I could have easily just got out here when it did this, but I didn't. What I ended up doing was moving my stop loss to a break even. So I knew either way trade, I couldn't have lost nothing off this trade. And then once I just waited till around 5 and I got this breakout right here, I moved stop loss and profit, all right, for both trades because I didn't want to lose no money. And I actually went to sleep, all right. Went to sleep, woke up, guys. I was up big, all right. So when I woke up, caught it right here, all right. 9:30 was this counter right here, and then it started selling again, all right. And then now we got this same thing. This could be just a pullback, all right. As you see, we got big red candles, blue candle, big red candles, blue candle, red candle. You know what I'm saying? This could just be another little pullback candle. But me personally, I took profit. 27K in a day is phenomenal. You know what I'm saying? So why not take it? You gotta grab it, funded account or not. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot of money. Now on my live account, all right, let's talk about US 30. Caught this drop on US 30, man. This was a crazy drop right here. I did a 0.10, made like $500 on my regular live account. This at the moment, at the time, y'all, it would these some big candles. Like it looked like this on a computer, but on your phone, these candles are humongous. You know what I'm saying? How many pips was this? Caught this whole move, y'all. 138 pips with US 30. A lot of pips. Just that's a lot of pips with US 30. I think NAS 100. Yeah, NAS 100 was just all over the place. It did this big counter. I know a lot of people got cooked. All right, off the sale with NAS 100. With the sale with NAS 100, it came right back up. Look, the sale looked good, but look how much manipulation, you know what I'm saying, you went through just to get the trend. All right, US 30 didn't do that. Look, it was just a straight drop. Straight drop, y'all. Only thing I can say, if you got in this counter too late and it wicked back up on you, yes, you know what I'm saying, you missed the entry. And that's always, with indices, it will blow your account. You will lose money. You will have to get out if you get in too late, all right, and this thing wicked back up on you. But as you see, it came right back down, all right. That's indices for you guys. It's very, very liquid, all right. It's gonna do some wild things before, you know what I'm saying, it gets to the move. But US 30 was more calm, you know what I'm saying, and the way I caught it, I was just in the trade chilling, all right. So at the end of the day, it's all about how you enter the market, all right. And I always tell you guys that. But this trade right here was the breadwinner. I was going to enter EU. As you see, it did the same thing, but it didn't like fully drop, but it did the same thing, all right. The same move. Now let's go look at AUD USD. I'm pretty sure it did the same thing, guys. Look, what I tell you, all right? I sent all of these analysis out to the group, all right? All of them, AUD, EU, and GU, you feel me? So at the end of the day, like, I'm sending out these snipers, man. I'm sending out these snipers, you feel me? If you're not taking them, hey, that's on you, you feel me? But at the end of the day, guys, this was a clean trade. GU is my favorite pair, will always be, all right? So when GU selling, all right, AUD and EU is a correlation pair, is going to sell as well. Now if GU buying, they're going to buy. USD CAD, all right, USD CAD, I sent out a signal this morning for a buy. All right, it most definitely supposed to buy if GU is selling, but for some reason, as you can see, it bought. All right, it did buy, but it didn't take off like GU did. All right, it only gave us around 38 pips. You know what I'm saying? And I'm saying only, that's a lot of pips, guys, depending on your lot size. So if GU selling, I know USD CAD is buying, which it did right here. All right, sent this also out to the group as well. So guys, this trading stuff is simply being able to have an eye for it, being able to catch it, being able to be patient, being able to sit through all of the stuff that the banks throw at you, manipulation, stop loss hunts, liquidity grabs. All of that is a part of trading. So I could have easily got out the trade at any time, but I didn't. I just held it. I know exactly where it's going. It's going to come back down here to get these orders right here from yesterday. All right, this is where it want to come. Now it could potentially break this right here, but I don't think GU want to keep dropping. It could. The daily look like a sell. All right, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly is showing sales right now. It's in a downtrend. So I could have held this, guys, but I didn't want to be greedy. Took my bread and I got out. But yeah, guys, that's how I did it, man. Just by plain market structure, you know what I'm saying? Looking at special key zones, which was here. And I see that it tested again, and then it did not make it back up here. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. Other than that,